ANPING Yeson Wire Mesh Products Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sale, and service of welded wire mesh, fence, perforated metal, stainless steel mesh, gabion mesh. We are located in Anping County, Hengshui City, where is well known as the hometown of wire mesh. We offer a wide range of wire mesh products, one-stop shopping. Our products include welded mesh, fences, expanded mesh, gabion mesh, crimped mesh, window screen, barbed wire, iron wire, and nails. Our manufacture costs and quality of service is highly competitive. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001-2015 certificate. Yeson firmly believes that all products must meet the international quality standards. Our products have been exported to North America, Europe, Mideast, Africa, and Southeast Asia. We have advanced production equipment and lots of qualified production lines. Sufficient inventory makes shipped quickly for you. We respond quickly in less than 24 hours and guarantee after sales. Yeson's business philosophy is based on reputation, quality, efficiency, excellence. Under our strict management and quality control, excellent quality has won us more and more trust and cooperation. We are proud of our ambitious, creative, young, and well-trained team. All friends are welcome to visit us, and we believe we will be the best partner in the future. Choose Yeson. Yes on you choose.